Hi Frankson, here is your proposal document. So this is the document that how I will actually work on your website. This is all of the thing decorated properly, so you will know that how your website will be designed, developed, and everything. So you just message me actually, but don't worry, I'm creating a video for you. Okay, so the proposal document first is business need. Your need is generate traffic, quality website design, IDX integration. That is the most important thing, right? Then you can change your content of text and images. So the solution is we'll design this on these platforms, then we'll create these pages, we will integrate your IDX system, okay, and then this is your fee summary. This is the installment. The first installment is $200. Home page, about page, SSL, color concept. SSL certificate mean your hosting security configuration. Okay, then property listing. This is your IDX and CRM integration property page, showing to show all of the property from your MLS. Lead generation $200, buyer seller page, blog single page, contact page, and all page responsive design. This is your testing, debugging, SEO optimization, and that is the total. So there have 1 2 3 installment process. Okay, so this is the time of length of the design to a whole website. This is the rules. So if you I will do everything in Fiverr if you um, like the first installment when I will finish the home page and about page and this task, then you will pay me $200. Okay, when you will finish the order on Fiverr and complete with 5-star feedback, then I will move into the second installment. That is the second installment. When it is finished and you complete the payment, then I will finish this part. So like this way you see the progress of the work and you will pay me step by step. Okay, so and there have each installment, finish your work, dummy contents if you want. And Trello is a task management software. This Trello, where like let me show you. So let me show you this project. This is one of the project of my client. So you can see there have work, doing, custom modification request, done, access. So this is the whole work list that is pending. We will do this is the thing we are doing for this client. Okay, and this is the thing the client asked for the modification, and that is the thing we did already for the client. So client, and we know that what is going to be done, what is doing by our team, and what works should be done, and that is the access, hosting access, domain access. So that is the overall thing of Trello. We just manage the work and project continuously on this Trello. That's it, nothing else. It will not affect on your website. You can see that which task is done and which task is not. Like if you click on this, you can see there have the details of the IDX. Okay, and the thing is there have all of the other thing. You can see there have property page and we'll comment. So that is the thing for the Trello work. I hope you got it.